Okay, this project's about relocating my dual battery system that was originally under the bonnet of the car, and I've relocated to the back of the tub of my Hilux. The reason being is that the battery size I could fit under the bonnet was a maximum of 75 amp hours, wasn't quite enough, and I had this spare space anyway in between the drifter drawer system and the side of the tub. So it involved a battery tray from J-Car sitting on a 10mm bit of plywood bolted to the actual tub of the floor. The reason for raising it by 10mm was to give some more clearance on the sides so that the bolts that mount the actual battery down, mounting bolts, clear the side of the tub. That's the battery. That's the original 75 amp hour. I've just ordered a kick-ass 120 amp hour, so it'll easily fit in that space. All the electronics are mounted on a 10mm plywood sitting on the wheel arch. That's bolted to the side of the drifter drawer system, and this houses my Victron MPPT solar controller. You can see the little 2-strip terminal block that allows the cable to connect. That cable runs up to the top of my canopy into the solar panel mounted on the roof. The Anderson plug next to that, that's where the power from the front battery will connect in. That's another project. The Red Arc controller, the DC to DC, homemade earth block connecting all the earth together and heating it all up. And you can see I've got a MIDI fuse. Those fuses are much better that I find. They don't have any issues with heat. An Anderson plug there that runs or connects to my fridge, keeping that powered up. And you can see the heavy duty wire running to the actual battery. So that battery will be changed out soon. Both the Red Arc and the Victron, they're sitting on top of bolts, giving a 10mm clearance actually underneath them just to allow for any airflow. So nice, neat, very easy to get out of the car if I ever need to in the future. The actual wire for the solar is going through the vent system, the canopy vent, and it's easy to remove, and the solar panel is actually mounted to the front of the car. Got it on an angle for this particular trip, gives a bit more airflow. That's a 120 watt solar panel, gives me plenty of power.